What's up, YouTube? Back with another video, guys. I'm back with another video, guys. So, in today's video, I'll be washing my dreads, guys. Yo, my starter dreads after 2 months, 2 freaking months, guys. So I haven't washed my hair in 2 months, and my hair is so itchy. And bro, you can take a look, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. I mean, so if you haven't watched my last video about dreads, you can watch the video somewhere here, up here. So yeah, I talked about how to get dreads in 2020, and yeah, so in today's video, I'll be washing my hair, guys. Yeah, my hair. Yeah, after 2 months. And smash like, subscribe. I know I haven't been telling you guys to do that, but please smash like. We're about to hit 10k right now, 10k subs. So please smash like, subscribe, and share the video. And intro. So guys, I'll be using this Dove Men Care shampoo conditioner. So this is an anti-dandruff shampoo, so it will remove every dandruff in my hair. I'll be using this sponge also to sponge my hair while washing. And finally, I'll be using this mini towel to clean my face. So guys, I'll be using this little drop of shampoo to wash my dreads. And also, I realized I needed the mirror, so I'll be using this baby plastic mirror to wash my to see myself while I'm washing. So I already rubbed the shampoo together on my hair. So yeah, I'll be washing my hair with a shampoo. And guys, do not forget, always wash your hair with cold water. With cold water, guys. Always wash your hair with cold water, not hot water. Because when you wash your hair with cold water, your hair locks faster. But if you wash your hair with hot water, your hair becomes like your hair separates from each other, so they don't lock. Like you get this frizzy look on your hair, which you don't want. I mean, you basically want your hair to lock together, so you're going to use cold water. So as you can see, guys, I'm using the sponge to wash my hair, which is also actually locking my hair together. And I'm also using my hands in between my hair, my hair, yeah. So I'm going like up down, yeah. So I'm washing my hair like that, and the dirt, they're all coming out. I mean, I haven't washed my hair in 2 months, so you expect my hair to be super dirty. So yeah, I'm using the sponge. I continue to twist, keep on twisting, just like the way I do when I'm trying to get dreads. So yeah, my hair is very super dirty, guys. And do not forget, guys, use cold water. I mean super cold water to wash your dreads. So guys, this is my hair after washing my hair, actually, yeah. Yo, the shampoo entered my eyes, guys. Yo, close your eyes whenever you're washing your hair, guys. Do not open your eyes, or else the shampoo will enter into your eyes. And yeah, as you can see, I didn't have any freeze, guys. Like my dreads, they were locking. Like as you can see, they're all locking, no freeze. I mean, the freeze is actually reduced. But if I use hot water to wash my hair, I mean, bro, it will look like I'm going back to day one of starting dreads because everything will be gone. But you need cold water to wash your dreads. So yeah, this is it, guys. You can see like the freezes they reduced. So yeah, wash your hair with cold water, guys. Guys, also I would like to know, should I get a taper fade when I'm getting my haircut because of my hairline, guys? I mean, I don't want that KSI hairline look, you know? And this is my hair after waiting under the sun, guys, for almost 1 hour. Almost 1 hour, guys. So I waited under the sun to make my hair dry, but still there's a little bit of water in my hair which I'll dry later. So yeah, I'll be using this black castor oil something. I don't even know what this is. I mean, I just saw black castor oil in the store and I bought it, and that's what I've been using for my dreads. So I'll be using that for my dreads. I mean, I don't really have any dread cream. You know, I'm not rich. I don't have money, and I use what I have. So remember, guys, always use what you have. So yeah, I'll be using that, and I'll be going the same way I did when I was washing my dreads, in and out, in and out, in and out, up and down, right and left, like that. You feel me, bro? Yeah, that's the same way. So guys, should I get a taper hairline? I mean, I don't want my hairline to go back, guys. I mean, that's why I'm really scared to get an haircut right now. But yeah, that's it. So I'm using the same sponge, guys, the same sponge to twist. So after my hair got dried, now I'm using the same sponge to twist my hair to make it lock more better. So my hair will just basically look like as if I'm getting a retwist, guys. Yeah, so yeah, guys, if you're enjoying it, smash like, subscribe, and share the video, guys. So guys, this is the final result. Guys. So I don't want the back of my hair to lock more because I'm still going to get my hair cut, and I don't want it to be difficult for the barber to cut. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, please smash like, please, bro, sister, smash like, subscribe, and share the video. Catch you guys in the next one.